Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. I'm here today to fill a page of my sketchbook entirely with an abstract ink pattern. My tools today are a sketchbook, a fountain pen, and the ink that's inside. That's it. Who needs anything else at this time of day? It's drawing time, baby! Now is the time I tell you to subscribe, and I don't know, if you're watching this alone, tell a friend to join you. Or even better, send them a link. That's more views and it's better for the algorithm and all that I hear people say. It doesn't matter. I'm just here to draw and chat, nothing more and nothing less. It's quite a strange time for me now. The summer has ended, as per my last video where I chat about the subject, and with it, many of the projects I had have been completed. The summer is 2 months long, but it went by so fast to me. It feels like yesterday that I finished my previous sketchbook and made a 30 minutes video reviewing it. Then I tackled on some drawing ideas I've had for a while, but I felt I still lacked the skills for what I envisioned, like the fun straw x water slide drawing. More recently, I finished the Robot Samurai project. I posted it last Sunday, right before this video to be precise. It's just a video that's barely over 10 minutes, but it really means a lot to me. Let's be honest, that video has a place in my heart that is much higher than this one you're watching. This is just another doodle and sketchbook, but the Robot Samurai video is something else entirely. If you haven't watched it, please pause this video and do watch it, please, please, please. It really represents what this whole channel is about. I'm not just a visual artist, I'm a writer and a storyteller. Storytelling is what I like to define my work as. In the Robot Samurai video, not only do I draw something cool that I think looks even a bit professional, I also mix in a lot of storytelling. At one point in the video, I stopped talking about art entirely and just turned the audio track into a fight scene, the kind you would imagine involving a manga protagonist or in a light novel. And that is what I love to do. I frequently mix a bit of fantasy within my video scripts. You just have to pick 1 or 2 videos of mine at random to realize that, but this time I did it the right way. It also took the appropriate time, the writing taking me over half a day and the editing and recording even more. The drawing itself wasn't too long, at 6.5 hours, but it is still a lot of effort and concentration. If you want a reference point, this drawing I'm creating now took 1 hour and 37 minutes, without counting the breaks. This script I'm currently reading into a microphone will probably take me about an hour at most. Today I don't have to imagine a world, write a scene with characters interacting, and also mix it with actual drawing advice and information. And do it seamlessly, at first talking more about art and then less and less until only the story remains. That's what I did for last Sunday's video. You know, I know the analytics, I can see them in YouTube Studio. I know the big majority of people clicking on my videos live before the end. But if I had to choose one video that I would force everybody to watch entirely, it would be the recent Robot Samurai one. It is a gamble to write a video like this because, as things are now, I don't have much of an audience. And even in the future, if you are billions and billions to watch, that video will still be lost in the ocean of my content. Even now, it's just 10 minutes out of 200 videos that are mostly around 8 to 10 minutes each, so it doesn't really stick out. But anyway, I really hope it does well. At the time of recording this one, it's not even up yet, so I can't say right now. You know, I'm really sorry I'm making an entire video talking about another video. It's a point of view into my creative process, with my own opinion on my art, and also I can't think of something else to say, to be honest. I'm running out of conversation topics today. Let's see. I got a bit of a cold. Since it rained a lot after the endless heat waves of this summer, the change in temperature got to me, but I'm fine. I did a bit of a diet change recently as well. For some reason, I got a bit fed up with eating pasta, so now I'm trying every alternative the grocery store has to offer. Today I tried lentils-based pasta. I love lentils, but in this sort of preparation, it's kinda bland actually. I'm also eating more salads, which are quick to make, but I can't eat salads more than once or twice a week, or I get bored. But yeah, I'm eating a lot of peas, lentils, corn, carrots, broccoli. I won't list everything I have in my fridge or my cupboard, but yeah, these days I don't want to eat pasta anymore. You see, apart from last Sunday's video, I don't have much of a topic to speak about. If you think that's so easy, why don't you tell me about your day? Why don't you leave your topic ideas in the comments, eh? And like the video. But seriously though, I really want to talk about writing also sometimes. Writing is my second passion after drawing. It is highly underrepresented on this YouTube channel, but writing doesn't make much of watchable content. If I was talking in front of a camera maybe, but I don't have things to show on screen while I talk about writing. Unlike my drawings, I also don't have a lot of content out there. I mean, I have like 3 whole books worth of Xiangxia light novel on royalroad.com, which is free to read, but I stopped writing for that project. It's been on a break for about a year and I don't know if I want to go back to it. Now I'm writing a proper book. I've been at it for a while, but you know how it is, it's very slow. And unlike a weekly based novel, I can't really show much of my work until it's finished, revised, edited and published. It is progressing, that much I can say. I have the entire story planned out, character developments, locations and all of that. I just need to put it onto paper and in order. I have a lot of notes in a notebook and on my computer, but it mostly resides in my head for now. And also writing takes time. Unlike drawing, you don't see results immediately. You make a drawing and that's it. I can't make a chapter and leave it at that. The more chapters I write, the harder it gets to make it flow with the rest as one unit. None of my drawings go with the others, but here everything needs to be part of the same ensemble. My mood of the day, or my tiredness, or my hunger, they can't influence what I write. But I am learning a lot, and I'm having a lot of fun. I put on a whole album, usually, and write until it's finished. So far, I've listened to the entire discography of Pink Floyd, Supertramp, The Beatles, or at least about 6 albums, Led Zeppelin, Los Jaivas, Ben Harper, Jamiroquai, Etta James, and many more I'm forgetting. Drawing is peaceful and it's fun. It's like these abstract doodles. You start, it's hard for like 15 seconds to concentrate, and then you get into it and you don't realize you're at it until it's over. Editing chapters, on the other hand, is a lot more like digital drawings in terms of mental work. You think about everything, you make plans, you use logic, etc. All in all, I love being creative. If I don't write or draw or something like that, I feel like my head will explode with thoughts. Arts are one of the best outlets for expression for me, and it's keeping me sane and busy. I already talked about my incapacity to stop thinking, so it's nice to be able to do that when I engage in arts. Anyway, I'm about to finish this drawing. I've talked enough for today, I feel. Let me know what you think in the comment section and maybe like the video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to check out the Robot Samurai video though, okay? Subscribe for 2 free videos per week and I'll see you in a few days. I'm Detroit and I love talking to you. Bye!